Hey there, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Does your garage door shake like that when you're closing it? Mine's been doing it for a while. I'm going to inspect it today, see what the problem is, fix it, and I hope this video helps you. So for your garage door jumping, jerking, shaking when it's closing or even opening, it could be a couple issues. It could be your track. Your track could have dents in it, or it could be not level, uneven. This is the track that your garage door rides on. The pulleys, which are right here, ride on this track. Now maybe it's a track that's going down vertical beside the garage door. Maybe you hit them with your car or somebody hit them with something and they dented in a bit here and it's causing the pulleys to bind as it's coming down. You could also check here, this joint where this track joins the upper track. Make sure that everything is okay there. I checked mine, I see no damage to my tracks, and actually this was working good up until about 2 months ago. I know I should have fixed it sooner, but I know that that's not an issue and nobody has damaged any of the tracks. So I'm thinking it could be one of these pulleys right in here. These pulleys, they could seize up. And if they're not turning properly, they're just kind of binding and sliding down the track. So you may want to lubricate those. Now I've lived here about 5 years and I've never lubricated these pulleys. So today we're going to lubricate these pulleys with a white lithium grease, and I bet you that solves our problem. So this is the product we're using today. It's white lithium grease, made by 3-in-1, but I know that WD-40 also makes a white lithium grease, and it usually comes in a spray form, so it makes it a lot easier for lubricating those pulleys. Okay, so here's one of our pulleys. I got the white lithium grease, so I'm gonna but I want to get inside here too. Just spray inside here. So that's one. I'll do the rest and we'll see how it works. There I go, I sprayed them all. I tried to get as much inside here as much as I can. Just get every wheel, every pulley lubricated really well. Okay, there's 2 other pulleys you need to lubricate. So with your garage door open, up here in the corner you can see where your track comes up and the level part of your track where they meet. Right up here in the corner there's a pulley here, and also when the door is fully open, that takes a tension off this cable and takes a tension off of your pulley. Now, you see the way that wobbles? Well, they all do that. I mean, I got 6 of them, so they all do it. I got 3 garage doors, so 6 pulleys. So I can't tell if that's wore out or not, but I lubricated it and it seems to have made the difference. Both of them, one on each side. So the door is lowering. It's pretty smooth now. There it goes. And see, you could see light at the bottom of this door, like maybe 1/2 inch, and now it fully closes. But see, now you don't see any light. So that was definitely it. Those top pulleys were a problem. So maybe I could invest in new ones. But as long as they're working good, I'll keep them lubricated. So I shouldn't have let that go so long, because what'll happen inside your garage door opener, it's very hard on your motor, very stressful. Along with your motor is plastic gears. They're just plastic. So they will wear out, they'll break. You can take the cover off your garage door opener, and those gears there need to be lubricated. And you can get a white lubricant that goes on those gears. I suggest you do that every once in a while as well. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch my other playlists. Go to my channel under playlists. You'll see all other garage door repairs. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.